What's going on, Mr. Shaw? My name is
Stefan down at Victory Nissan. I'd like to show you our 2019 Ford F-150 that you had inquired with us about.
been well taken care of. Running boards along the
Sides. Bed liner's still in great condition.
backup camera installed, of course.
But it's what's on the inside that counts, right? Back to see the crew cab. See, it's been well taken care of. Got power windows in the rear seats as well. Got your safety lock on the outside, of course. But it's what's on the inside, right? You got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. All your hands-free settings on the steering wheel. Got to make sure you're abiding by all the Tennessee laws. They do not play games around here. And while you do have remote start on the vehicle, put the key in the ignition. Coming over here, we know we have our heated seats on there. We got a couple of the good bells and whistles. Navigation's already installed on the truck as well. Only 46,985 miles on it. This thing still has plenty of factory warranty on it. Got your 12-volt outlet there. 2 iPhone chargers. Got your middle glove console, of course, your owner's manual. That scoots up to give you a 6th seat if you needed it. Got a quality sound system in here as well, and you also have all your settings up there for you to turn all your lights on and off. 4-wheel drive, of course. I hope this is the truck for you, my friend. This one has been well taken care of. Oh, it's even got adjustable paddles. Whoa. My name is Stefan down at Victory Nissan. Make sure you come up here and ask for me, and I'll take care of you. Make sure you get into your new truck today.